Okay, so today we're going to drain the fuel, get the carburetor out, we're going to take the air filter out and see what we've got ready. Yeah, let's do it then. I don't even know how much we've got over here. But in the meantime, we're going to undo the tank. Right. Here it is. We've got a carb. For Allen keys. Oh, got something missing. Two screws, or one? No, are they missing? Yes, they do. Missing screws. That's fine. We are prepared. Very much something from China. Arrived yesterday. Okay, let's see. Okay, It looks like it's sealed alright. Seems to be fine too. Wonder what the setup we've got here. Okay. So this is what we've got. Right. It does look alright to me. However, I'm not an expert, so but I guess we just need to try. Try and see. I've got 3 different Allen keys, so it's gonna be fun. But I guess the carb itself should be fine. I don't think there's anything to do according to what he said, and at the moment I think it's okay. Yeah. But we need to check it. Really? Okay, let's open up. Ooh. I think that's been changed, or I don't know. But the thing is, it all looks nice and clean. So I think somebody's been here before. All seems to be fine. Okay, that's a good sign. I might get it. Well, the thing is, I don't even know if I want to clean it. Look, it's good. Carb is alright. It's a bit fatigued, but it's alright. I got the weird screws, but looks good to me. Right, L filter K and N. Okay, I think this is a little clean, so we're going to clean it now as well. While we're waiting for the L filter, we can check the state of spark plug. This is what we've got. Spark plug is a bit dark. We're gonna just brush it a little bit. Let's see, that helped. I wonder if there's a spark, that's the thing, but I can't even check it because I don't have an electric starter. I haven't got a Kickstarter, so I can only push it, but I don't see myself running around holding a spark plug against the frame and trying to see if there is a spark, because it's just basically impossible. So I can just clean it all, make sure it's not leaking anywhere, and just try again, give it a good push, and that's the plan. There is fuel. You won't. Right, another attempt. Now this time we've got cleaned air filter. I checked the spark plug, I checked the carburetor, got battery, got some petrol in. It's not leaking anymore. Let's give it a go. Let's go. Okay, we've got it. I had a first ride on her. It's amazing. Obviously, it needs some work. However, we've got it running. Yes! So now, I really don't want to run around and push it, bump start it. However, it is running. It is running. It's alive. Right, so as I said before, if I get it running, I'm going to restore this bike. So follow me to see the progress and see how we're gonna end up with this bike. And this is my winter project. I will do whole calculation, how much I spent, how much it cost me, and next spring I'll try to sell it for quite decent money. Like and follow, leave a comment below. See you later.